Hello YouTubers, I'm going to show you my grow room and the lighting scheme, show you what I did to wire all this up, kind of give you the basics and show you a simple way to do this on a bigger scale. And you can see what I'm showing here is the trunk line, okay? Each trunk line branches off to form a row, a lighting row. And I just have outlets in the ceiling. And all them outlets are being controlled by a timer. Alright? And ultimately, these pipes lead back to the brains of this scheme. And I have two contactors in here. These are 120 volt three-phase contactors. The coil is 120 volts. You got your A, B, C. For your three-phase, this is your line side of the contactor. On the bottom is your load side, your A, B, C. In the three-phase system, three phases can share one common neutral. Okay? So there's the other contactor, your ABC line side, ABC bottom side, and then there again you have your one common neutral. So how the contactors work is you have a 120 volt coil, which is these two wires back here. You got your hot leg and your neutral. Alright? And they are being controlled, come out there, and they come down to the timer. Okay? So this timer is plugged into a hot outlet, which is, would be your line side right here where my hand is. And the timer, you set the parameters on your on and off times. So when the timer does come on, it energizes your load side of your timer back out to your contactor, which energizes the coil, which closes the contacts. All right, and that heats up your load side out to your lighting system. So it's really that simple. Kind of just, I wanted to give you guys an idea of if you're thinking of, you know, your lighting scheme and what to do. This is one method of controlling your lights in a simple fashion. Alrighty, I hope that helped. I will say one thing, if you are doing this in home, more than likely you have a single phase. So you're a single phase incoming service. So you're only going to have two legs. You're going to have your A and B, which those two would share a neutral. And then you have a A and B over here that would share a neutral. Alright, that's the only difference. So you'd want your 120 volt coil, do the same setup as this. If you're using LED lights, you wouldn't need this many circuits. I'm using high bays and fluorescent fixtures. So for instance, let's see if there's a rating on these. Yeah, these pull, let me back out a little bit, 120 volt, that's what these are. 2 amps for a 4 bulb fluorescent, and these are just under 3 amps here for the 6 bulb fluorescents. Okay, so it gives you an idea. Out of 120 volts, those pull like 4 amps a piece, so it's pretty significant. So I would, on a larger scale, definitely recommend using LEDs. It's going to save you a tremendous amount of not only wiring costs, but energy consumption. So, alright, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, you can visit riverponics.com. I do have electrical background, so I can help you out in a lot of different ways. If you have other questions, I can do videos or even consult with you on the phone. So alright, well, thank you.